How to print frozen panes in every page on Excel. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Microsoft Excel file, and once you're inside here, you just have to click on this page layout button at the top of your navigation bar. Just make sure you have already selected or opened any tabular format of file or with the file which contains some text. So now once you tap on this page layout button over here, just click on this print titles. You can see over here, so it basically lets you choose the rows and columns you would like to repeat on each printed page, such as those with labels or headers. So just tap on this, and now just select the columns to repeat on the left. And once you do all of that, you can easily click on this print OK to start printing. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.